Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add multiple accounts on your threads. So let's get started. And you're watching 1 to Step. So in order to add multiple account in threads just like this, so I have 2 of my threads account over here. Now since your threads account is linked with your Instagram account, if you add multiple account on your Instagram, it's going to automatically going to show you multiple account in your threads. So these 2 accounts which you see over here is basically I have added on my Instagram. That's why it's being shown over there. So the first thing, if you want to add multiple account on your threads, open your Instagram and click on your profile picture at the bottom right. And once you click on your profile picture, at the top it's going to show you your username. So my username is witchy6777, so it shows me that. I will click on it and it's going to show me all these accounts. And if you also want to add multiple accounts just like this in my screen, you can just simply click on add accounts and click on login into existing account. And if you don't have an account, you need to click on create new account, alright? But since I already have it, I will click on the first option and over here login into my Instagram account. Once I log in into my Instagram account will be added over here. And once my Instagram account is added over here, the threads account is automatically going to show up over here. So you can just open threads and click on switch account. You might be thinking it's only showing 2 accounts over here, whereas in my Instagram there's 4 accounts. So basically with my account Witchy Kevin and Luga t-shirt, I have not created a threads account. That's why it's only showing me 2, because I only have 2 threads account. One is linked with Witchy6777, another with Abhinav Timla. That's why only 2 threads account is being shown over here. If I had created threads account with like Witchy Kevin and Lugati, it was going to be displayed over here. So don't get confused and think like, okay, he has 4 but it's only showing 2 over here, alright? But if your Instagram account has threads linked with it, then the moment you log in into or like add it over here, it's going to show up over here and you can just click on any one of it and log in into it. So that's how you guys can add multiple accounts on threads. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 Step. I will see you guys next time.